Hello, this is Dr. Ruja. I'm the founder of OneCoin and of the onelife network. Today is a very, very special day for us. I would like to tell you a bit more about the plans of OneCoin for 2017 and 2018. Some of you are with us since 2014, 2015, and you remember, I think, the first months and the first events of OneCoin. We had amazing and very, very successful years, and what we achieved as a cryptocurrency, actually nobody before has done. 3 million users, about 12 million people who speak about us, who are a community. We are in 5 continents, over 190 countries, and definitely we have been one of the biggest success stories out there. We have always spoken that the project goes in phases. So you cannot go on the market, create the cryptocurrency and just imagine to be the second Bitcoin within 2 or 3 months. We started up slowly. 2015 in January, we mined the first coins. It is already 2 years that we are mining coins. We did upgrades on the blockchain last year to prepare ourselves for the merchants. And now this month we are starting a huge deal platform which will be a rival to Groupon and all the others out in the market. Still, you'll ask me, what's next? How will this coin actually become public? What will happen to us? We want to go out in the world. We don't want to be always the community that we are out there. We are a very powerful network, but at one point of time, it's time for us to go public and to open up to the world. And this is absolutely right. These are the next steps that we are doing. And I want to speak to you about our coin going public. We have been thinking about this for a long time, as you know. We have been speaking about opening up the coin to the public, and I want to talk to you how we will do this and when. So it's getting very, very concrete. You know that going public takes time. And I want to tell you that yes, OneCoin, the cryptocurrency, is going public, and we are going public in the second quarter of 2018. So in about 14 to 15 months, we want OneCoin to be public and everybody to be able to buy and sell coins. How will this work? We want to be actually the first company doing fintech, cryptocurrency, and e-commerce who becomes listed on a stock exchange. We have chosen a major Asian stock exchange for our plans, and you know that listing a company takes a lot of time. This is why we're sharing our plans about 15 months in advance with you, so we all can prepare for the IPO of OneCoin. So we want to list the company OneCoin on the stock exchange in Asia, because currently still the majority of our customers is in Asia. China, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, a lot of countries, and more than 70% of the customers, users of OneCoin, and I think also of the merchants that we will attract, will be in Asia. This is why we chose Asia for the stock exchange. So everybody who currently holds coins will become a shareholder of this company. If you have coins, you are entitled to be a part of one of the biggest success stories, we hope, since Facebook or Alibaba. There are a lot of other companies, I think, who plan to become public in the next years, like Uber or others, and I hope that we actually will surpass them all. How can you actually be part of the IPO? The only way to be part of the IPO is to hold OneCoins. You will be able to exchange these OneCoins over the next months into so-called OFCs. An OFC is a future certificate that entitles you to receive shares in the company OneCoin, which will be listed on the stock exchange. Everybody who holds coins can exchange them for OFCs. Now, because we have people who joined us very early and who joined us before the IPO, I can tell you that you all will have special privileges and will get a much better exchange rate for your coins for the OFCs. Whoever joins after you will not be that well. So in the month of February, we're running the following promotion. You will receive for your coins, when you convert them to OFCs, double as many OFCs. So if you have today 100 coins, you will receive double as many OFCs as somebody who comes in March, in April, or in May. This is one of the most amazing promotions that we are running actually, and it's very, very similar to the one that we did when we launched the blockchain. Double your shares, double your coins. And I'm extremely excited because we want to make this the biggest IPO actually of 2017. We're a fintech company. The OneCoin IPO will have the following things. Not only the coins are part of it, no, we are having a huge merchant platform potential that is coming up in the next days. We want to build 1 million merchants, and we want you all to profit from this. We want you to be part of the company which will receive all the profits from the merchants. We want to launch a Forex platform in the next years. Again, we want everybody who holds OneCoins to be profiting from this. And at one point of time, after we go public, we also want to think about remittances. Again, a very profitable business where everybody of you will be part of by holding the shares of the company. We're extremely excited about this. It is a lot of hard work again to get there, but the team has been working day and night to get there, to put together a good concept and to go there. The way to be part of this story goes only through holding coins and exchanging the coins to OFCs. We'll publish much more information on this over the next days, how you can do this, what is the exchange rate, when will the IPO come, what is the new company that we want to list doing, and what is the future actually of the currency. Also, there's several special initiatives that we'll run along with the IPO. First of all, we have reserved some shares for charity. So there are charities that can apply on our website and tell us why they deserve, what are they doing, why they deserve to get some shares into the, into the new company. And also people who think that they can do something for developing the coin, all of them can also apply on our website and receive some shares for free. You know, cryptocurrency lives from all of you, from the network, from the people, from the users. We want to make this the biggest cryptocurrency ever. With over 3 million users, we are bigger than anyone out there. And now I think the time has come that we all go out and show actually the world who we are, how big we are, and what the huge potential of OneCoin is. Becoming a listed company, having auditors auditing not only the blockchain, but the whole company, generating profits for all the users and the shareholders is something that tremendously excites us. And we think we will be one of the biggest success stories, actually, 2017, 2018, and for a long time. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to see you all around, to answer all your questions that you have. Check the back office. There will be a lot of information coming up in the next days. Thank you very much.